Little Not-So-Good Red Riding Hood found a mobile phone on the forest ground. She turned around to see if she was all alone. Then suddenly she spied a wee red wolf. "What's the matter, dear?" she asked without fear. The wolf sighed deeply. "I lost my mobile phone. This seems to be the very spot." "It's not," she said. "There's birds and trees and pine cones, but no mobile phones. My granny's got a phone. If it's any good to you, her home's a cottage in the wood about 3 miles from here." The wee red wolf said, "Thank you, dear." Grandma was out on a date and came home rather late, just as wee red wolf climbed onto her bed. "Why do you have such dirty big feet?" "But then I guess you're rather sweet," she moaned, and phoned the RSPCA to have wee red wolf taken away. "Please let me stay," he cried, and being kind she changed her mind. The wolf now shares Grandma's great big home, while little Not-So-Good Red Riding Hood is all alone with his mobile phone.